in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, Eastern Morrow County, Central Knox County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Centerburg, or 14 miles southwest of Mount Vernon, moving north at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Ontario, Lexington, Fredericktown, Belleville, Centerburg, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Bailey Lakes, and Mifflin. Now for the official National Weather Service.